Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create new project in GoDot engine. So go to godotengine.org and you'll see a page that looks something like this, and you can go to the download section, click on this link. Now here you have option to choose from Linux, Mac OS, Windows and server. Currently I have Windows operating system, so I have two options to choose from. One is standard version, which has both 64-bit and 32-bit version. It also has mono version. Basically mono version supports C# and cross-platform builds which are from mono. Okay, so we are going to ignore this, and then we have this 64-bit edition which I have downloaded. As you can see here, it only has one exe. Now there are other methods to install as well, such as using scoop, where you can simply type in scoop install GoDot. Okay, and in near future I'm sure GoDot will be also available in Windows Package Manager as well, so we will wait for that update to come. Okay. Once you download this, what you can do is simply double click on the exe, which should start this one window where you can see the command line updates. So whatever we do within main project, the updates will be visible here. So let's say if I create new project, it should create those notifications and logs on this page. So don't close this window, just minimize it. Now here, as you can see, it shows you one window where you have to confirm that you want to choose asset library or cancel this. Currently I don't have any project, so what I will do is I will open asset library and I will let this load through official godotengine.org. I also have one more option, which is localhost, but I don't have any projects, so I will just load from this specific site. Now these are some of the demos, like third-person shooter, OS test demo, then you have bomber demo and few other games. So if you download these demo and run them, they will work as expected a demo. You can extend them if you want. Okay, so what we'll do is we will simply close them and go to this tab, projects. Currently I don't have any new project, so I will click on this button, new project. Now it will choose the default path, which is documents. Okay, so what I will do is I will simply name this, let's say DevNami demo. I can create a folder as well if I want to, right? So let's create a folder. So it will create a folder, DevNami demo. Also you get to choose from renderer, which is OpenGL ES 3.0 or OpenGL ES 2.0. Now after choosing that, I can simply click on create and edit. Okay, now what it will do is it will load the default project in 3D. You can choose to change this to 2D or script mode or asset mode. So I switched this to 2D and saved it with Ctrl S. Okay, now I have to add scenes into this and then I can execute this. So if we can choose from the scene here, I can choose 2D scene. I can save this. Okay, it will ask me to save scene as, click save. Okay, and then here on the top right you can see play button, so click on that or simply type in F5. Okay, so you can choose this scene, open, and as you can see this is default splash icon. It will also trigger firewall. Click allow access. Okay, and then it will show you your default window of the game. Okay, if you see something like this, that means you have managed to create your first project in GoDot engine.